Welcome to my channel. So today I will present to you the case study of building that I have been choose. As you guys can see on the screen, so this is the topic that I will present for today. For case study, I choose Kuala Lumpur City Centre, which is Klcc that located at Kuala Lumpur. Now I present to you the team of contractor and consultant. Excavation and foundation work started on 1993. The depth of the foundation is down to 150 below ground level. Each tower used 104 concrete piles to make sure it can support the skyscraper tower. This is the largest concrete pour for rough foundation in Malaysia. The structure used on this twin tower is combination of concrete and steel. For concrete is for the foundation, in the center core, in the 16 tower perimeters column, variable depth perimeters ring, 12 smaller perimeters pillar and ring beam around the basal. For construction steel is to support metal slab using long spatial floor span. The structure starts from a frame with concrete walls and column. The height of each pinnacles is 73.5 meters. The material used for pinnacles is stainless steel mass. It's tapered in square circle plan, which can decrease of the wind pressure resistance. The stainless steel cladding was fitted to the facade with the design of Islamic art. The glass is covered by stainless steel visor to The sky bridge is supported by the middle by an inverted V-shape, three-pin arch that accommodates any movement while maintaining it equidistant from both towers. The sky bridge is placed on the 41 and 42 floors and measured 58.4 meters in length.